Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off WhatsApp notification sounds. To do this, you just need to go to your WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp app, and after that, click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. And after that, go to Settings. And after that, you just need to scroll down a little bit until you find an option called Notifications. You just need to click on it. And after that, you just need to go to the first option. It's called Conversation Tones. And it says play sounds for incoming and outgoing messages. You just need to deactivate it like that. And like this, you have deactivated and you have disabled and turned off WhatsApp notification sounds. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.